Hey guys, so why can't you log in into your Yahoo Mail account? First thing that you'd like to check is if you're typing the correct email or the correct username, because you might have made a typing error which can actually hinder you from signing in. Now, if you've typed in the correct username, you might want to try also your mobile number if you were able to connect it with your Yahoo account, or try signing in with Google over here at the bottom if you were able to connect your Yahoo account to your Google account. Now, you can also try forgotten username over here, so just click on that, and Yahoo can search for your account. So just type in your email address or your phone number, then click on continue, and just follow these steps through. And if it's still not working, you might also want to clear the cache of your browser. So just click on the three-dot option over here at the top, then click on delete browsing data, then click on delete data over here. Then you want to go back and try again, but if it's still not working, you might want to try using a different browser. So I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.